Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you an after dark speed clean of the bathroom. I wanted to begin by showing you all of these before shots so that you can see what we will be working with. Thank you for clicking on this video and tuning in for this speed cleaning. I know how quickly our houses can get messy, so a speed clean will always help keeping the chaos under control. My goal is to motivate you when you have to clean and you are overwhelmed. I share these cleaning videos to help you get some motivation if you need some. Thank you for stopping by and taking time of your busy day to watch my video. These are the products I will use: a toilet bowl cleaner, a glass cleaner, a furniture cleaner, disinfecting wipes, newspaper, cloths, paper towel, my go-to bathroom cleaner for speed cleaning that I make. I absolutely love this toilet bowl cleaner. It cleans well and it smells amazing. First, I put all my cleaners on the surfaces so they disinfect while I'll start by cleaning the mirror. Look what color this toilet bowl cleaner has. I love it. On the bidet and the sink, I spray my cleaner. I make it with half vinegar, half water and some essential oil drops. It cleans and disinfects very well. Here I just remembered I had to refill my soap container. While the cleaners act on the surfaces, I will clean other areas. I take everything down from the mirror's shelf, spray glass cleaner on the mirror and clean it with newspaper. If you want to know why you should clean your mirrors with newspaper, I just did a video on this topic. I will link it at the end of this video. Then I clean the shelf and all the products with a microfiber cloth and glass cleaner.
And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to...
Next is this shelf I have here that is so dusty, so I take everything down from it, clean it with glass cleaner, buff it dry, then put everything back. Please let me know in the comments below what are you cleaning today.
But I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time?
I have to start one load of darks and I use Pervol Darks liquid detergent and this softener I bought in Turkey. I know the washer's drawer is dirty, I have to clean it soon.
No drama, yeah.
To speed clean my bathroom surfaces, I always use these disinfecting wipes that I find at the grocery store. Now let's wipe everything thoroughly and buff it dry.
He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he
I want to say that I am glad to have you here and I hope you are enjoying this content.
Why do I need to be good all the time? No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah.
Next I scrub the toilet bowl with its brush and let it drip while I clean the bidet.
Heading to Vegas in my blue striped car. She's riding shotgun and she looks like a star. Yeah, she's got the style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She says she likes
I know maintaining a household is not easy. We all have struggles with motherhood, working, keeping a clean and tidy house, cooking, doing grocery lists, grocery shopping, meal planning, appointments, paying the bills, laundry, decluttering, organizing, the guilt we don't spend enough time with our kids or loved ones, not having me time, etc. If your never ending tasks overwhelm you, I've got you. I'm here to support you, motivate you, give you ideas, inspiration, and make you feel you are not alone.
the sky is blue, I got the sun in my eyes.
When I clean the toilet, I buff it dry with paper towel so I can throw it away.
That makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. I'm gonna make it worth your while.
Then I put a black freshener because it smells so good and it will make the cleanliness last longer. Next I clean the garbage can and I change the garbage bag.
We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
I disinfect the floor around the bidet and the toilet, then I clean the side of that cabinet.
Uno, dos, tres, hey,
I noticed the front of my washer was dirty, so I wipe it down and I also wipe this dusty windowsill. Now I put back everything and take out the garbage. This is the final result. Everything is sparkling clean, disinfected and shiny. No more dust, dirt, smudges or germs. And it only took approximately 10 minutes. The next time you have to clean your bathroom but you are out of time or too tired, try a speed clean and in only 10 minutes your bathroom will look amazing. Look at this cool pink water. If you enjoyed this video, if it gave you some sort of motivation, or if you loved the music, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to let me know in the comments below what are you cleaning today. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye!